Well, hey there, CB radio people. Here's my new setup. As you can see, I used to have the Galaxy 959 and the President HR2510 in line, and the custom-built Altashiba 1x4 box there on the left. I've changed things around a little bit. I've put a Stryker 955 HP in line and a Uniden PC78 Elite in line. The PC78, that's my AM radio. It's all tuned up and hot, and it's got great average watts and PEP watts. So that's what I need for AM. And then the Stryker's a badass sideband radio. It really swings hard on sideband. There's my deal there. Can't see with the glare. I gotta clean the wires up still. That's 73 degrees. That's the temperature inside of the amplifier. There's a little 10 amp power supply for, testing stuff and plug something in real quick and whatnot. There's the same MFJ meter there, 3000 watt scale. It's a good meter, man. Measures reflected power and average and peak. It's a real good meter. There is my power supply and battery voltage. And you see right here, you can turn it off. You can turn the LEDs on and off up here. And then I left another switch here for future use. There's my switching box to switch from both radios. And here's my setup down here. There's my power supply I got from Rusty there in Texas. That's a 150 amp supply. And there's my optimal blue top I have in line. I went ahead and added a heavy duty battery disconnect switch there. Upgraded the wires. I used to have 8 gauge run to the battery because that's all the 1x4 really required. It was such a short run. I've upgraded that to 4 gauge. The wires off the amplifier are 1 gauge, the big giant Anderson connector there. So that's my power setup right there. And then here's my new amplifier right here. I decided to go ahead and go with Nate Jones and got a hopper built. There's no secret to what it is. It's right there. And I did have them bias it. It's full-time biased. The 2 switches there that are not lit up, that's just simply for delay. You're going to go to sideband. But it is fully biased, and it is regulated. Fully regulated bias circuit. So 4 big old fans in there, keeping it nice and cool. There's the upgraded wiring and battery and supply and big old battery switch. And that's my setup for now. I did upgrade all my jumpers. I had the static jumpers you buy on eBay there. They're pretty good jumpers, but they were the RG, the RG8X. So I made all new jumpers out of LMR 240, and I used the Amphenol, I think I'm saying that right, the Amphenol PL259s. And I also had to upgrade the coax going to the antenna. I decided to go with LMR 400 Ultraflex for that. That way it's real easy to work with. And yeah, so the new setup here, it's doing its thing like a chicken wing, and it's getting down, no doubt about it. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube land.